welcome to Foresights TV, and this is me, Anushka Tyagi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently met with India's contingent heading to the Paris Olympics in a special interaction held in New Delhi. During this event, he extended his best wishes to the athletes and expressed confidence in their ability to excel, aiming to bring glory to the nation. Modi also shared his vision of India hosting the Olympics in 2036, encouraging athletes to observe and learn during their participation in Paris. Has a special reports from Foresights TV. Let's have a look at that with me, Anushka Tyagi. PM Modi's interaction with the Paris-bound athletes was marked by his personal encouragement and support. In a video shared on social media, Modi emphasized the significance of the athletes' journey, describing their achievements as inspirational for the entire nation. He met with several athletes, including Olympic javelin champion Neeraj Chopra, two-time Olympic medalist PV Sindhu, and world champion boxer Nikhat Zareen, among others, both in person and virtually. Modi highlighted India's ambition for the Paris Olympics, aiming for its best ever medals tally with a strong contingent of around 120 participants. The Prime Minister assured the athletes of efforts to enhance support and engagement from the Indian community in Paris, aiming to boost connectivity and morale. Looking ahead, Modi revealed India's aspiration to host the Olympic Games in 2036, asserting ongoing efforts to prepare necessary infrastructure. He urged the athletes to keenly observe the organizational aspects of the Paris Games, aiming to leverage this experience in India's bid to host the Olympics in the future. As the Paris Olympics are set to commence soon, Modi's interaction with the Indian athletes underscores the government's commitment to sports and its potential to inspire the nation. His encouragement and vision for hosting the 2036 Olympics reflect India's aspirations on the global sporting stage. With preparations underway and athletes ready to compete, India looks forward to a successful outing at the Paris Games while laying the groundwork for future Olympic bids.